And so what I want us to try to take on board here is this notion of this. It's like, okay, so I've been thinking of it in terms of housekeeping. So things get into your house, right, that you don't want in your house. I had a bat flying in my place a few months ago. Got to deal with the bat. So in mindfulness, I would be non-judgmentally aware of the bat flying around here in my place. The letting it flow would be, yes, bat, fly freely. The Course would say, calmly evaluate the bat as not belonging in my house and take it outside. Okay. It's a different approach. If everything that comes into your mind, you see as like, I should be authentic. I should just let it be there. I should let it express. That's going to be a totally different approach with totally different results than what the Course is asking us to do. So just a very quick summary of all 4 weeks, and then we'll have some time to discuss. And let me see first if you, Emily, have anything more to add. I can't see you right now, so.
Oh, I'm here.
Okay.
Well, I like your bat example because I think that's very clarifying, and letting it flow. I know you're kind of struggling with how to phrase this. I would say something along the lines of speaking your truth, because we really celebrate that here in contemporary spirituality and in our society, speaking your truth. But so much uncorked emotion has been let loose in the name of speaking your truth.
Mm-hmm.
And I have to be careful too when we talk about mindfulness, because I started as a mindfulness trainer, and mindfulness to some degree still remains a bit of a baby of mine. But at the same time, when you look at mindfulness in the context of what he's saying and what this whole guarding your mind mini course has been about, looking at something non-judgmentally is not really in alignment with what he's saying here. He's asking you to look at it and reject misperceptions of
Which means evaluating it.
which means evaluating them, which means taking a stand, holding fast to truth and rejecting that which isn't true. And so that's completely different than just letting the thoughts come and go in a non-judgmental state. You have work to do here.
Yeah.
And it's different than mindfulness. It's different than just resting in pure awareness. He's asking you to make a choice throughout the day, and that message is different than what we tend to hear in spiritual circles today.